like the elephant, which when it falls cannot get up, until others, with their shouting, lift it up with their voices. And I wanna follow that custom, for my misdeed is so heavy and so weighty, that if the court and its pomp and the true worth of loyal lovers do not lift me up, I will never rise again. If they would deign to cry mercy for me, where prayer and mercy are worth nothing to me, hey! And if I cannot return to joy through faithful lovers, I will leave off my singing forever, for there is nothing more in me. I will live like a recluse, alone, without comfort, such is my desire. And my life is annoyance and pain to me. Joy is pain to me, and pleasure is sorrow. For I am not at all like the bear who, when you beat him and hold him vile without mercy, he grows fat and improves and comes back to life. I am not the bear, hey! I do not come back home. I am the elephant, oh, fallen. I know well that love is so great, it can easily forgive me if I failed through loving too much and raved like Daedalus, who said that he was Jesus and wanted to fly to heaven over proud. But God lowered his pride and his arrogance, and my pride is nothing but love. To all the world I am complaining about myself and about talking too much. If I could imitate the phoenix, of which there is only one, who burns itself and then rises again, I would burn myself, for I am so full of evil, and my false words are lying and treacherous. I would rise again in sighs and in tears. My song will be a messenger, there where I dare not go. No, with right eyes look, I am so conquered and bowed down. Best of ladies, from whom I have fled for 2 years, now I return to you, sorrowful and weeping, like the stag, which when it has run its course, returns to die at the cry of the hunters. So I return, lady, into your mercy, but it matters nothing to you if you do not remember love. Such a Lord I serve, in whom there is so much good, that on the day I see him,